the next thing I'd like to do is talk precisely about the types of subordinate clauses that we have. So, as you can see here, I will show you three types of subordinate clauses. There are three types of subordinate clauses. The first type is called noun clause. Second type is adjective clause. And third type is adverb clause. Okay? The noun clause, basically we call it the noun clause because it takes the role of a noun. It does the job of a noun. If I give you a simple sentence like, I like what I see. Okay? I like what I see. All right, so what I see, the part what I see, if I want to take it out and if I want to have it replaced, obviously I'm saying I like what? I like something. And that something or someone is the actual noun, right? That means I can say a car, I can say a man, I can say a tree, but it is someone or something, right? And it has to be a noun. But so I removed something or someone. For example, if I say a car, I removed a car and I had that replaced with what I see. So now what I see is doing the same job as a man would do, or a car would do, or a tree would do. You understand? So what I see is same as a car, for example, or the car. Like I say, the car, doesn't matter. Okay? I like the car. So I'll give you a situation, right? You go into a car dealership and you see a car, you like it very much, right? You walk up to it and you say, I like what I see. What do you mean, what I see? That means you like the car. That's what you're saying, right? But instead of saying, I like the car, you're saying, I like what I see. Let me move to adjective clause. Okay, so the adjective clause, usually it comes after the noun. And it basically gives extra information about the noun in terms of how many or how much or what it looks like, right? So you know what an adjective does, right? If I say an angry person, I'm describing that person as angry, right? A good-looking man, I'm describing that man as good-looking. If I say expensive car, I'm describing that car as being expensive. Those are adjectives, and it gives me information about that noun that I'm using. Okay? So the main job is to answer the adjective questions. What kind? What? How many? Which one? Okay? And that's an example. The umbrella, which has a broken handle, is mine. If I say the umbrella is mine, would you understand what kind of umbrella I'm talking about? Of course not. You wouldn't understand what kind of umbrella I'm talking about, right? So I will add a subordinate clause, and it's going to be an adjective clause. Why? Because that adjective clause, the underlined part, is giving me information about what kind of umbrella I'm talking about. So in other words, in Japanese, for example, I don't know if it's the same in Korean grammar, but in Japanese grammar, you would say the broken umbrella, the broken handle umbrella is mine.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, right.
So you say
Yeah.
no, 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 no umbrella, something no umbrella, right? Yeah. There's a no in Japanese. That means like a possessive sort of thing.
Mhm.
So that's the same concept. that's how you got to think about it, Keiko, especially in your case, because you know that an adjective always comes before a
Yeah.
noun, right?
Mm.
In
Yeah.
your case, but sometimes in English we use an adjective clause, and that
Mm.
adjective clause can come after the noun. All
Mm.
right. So the umbrella, which has a broken handle, is mine. Okay. And so this part is providing more information on what umbrella we're talking about. That's why it's playing the role of an adjective. We're going to see the last type of clause, and this is the adverb clause. So the adverb clause, we already said a noun clause is called a noun clause because it does the job of a noun. And similarly, we say adverb clause because it does the job of an adverb. Now, what is the job of an adverb? Why do we use an adverb? We use an adverb because we want to give information about where
Place.
something happened, place, exactly,
Yes.
when, time, why, reason,
Because.
or how, manner. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So if I say I will sit wherever I want,
Mhm.
well, it's very clear that basically I'm saying wherever I want, I'm talking about the place. I'm referring to the place. The place could be on a chair, could be on a sofa, it could be at the balcony, right? It could be anywhere. It's actually referring to a place. So if I say I will sit at the balcony, well, obviously at the balcony is an adverb, is an adverbial phrase.
Mhm.
And so that's why this becomes an adverb clause, because it's replacing at the balcony or on a sofa or on a chair, right? So, in summary, we have three different types of subordinate clauses. We have a noun clause, we have adjective clause, and we have an adverb clause. All right, I'd like you to bear that in mind when you sit down and start writing.